And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix slow download speed on your Play Store. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix slow download speeds on the Play Store app, you need to first ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. So now, once you have made sure that you have a strong internet connection, you need to simply clear Google Play Store apps, cache, and data. So simply tap open your settings, go to your app section, and once you're in your app, simply scroll down and tap on Google Play Store. And once you have done this as well, you can find an option called storage. Then there you can find an option called clear cache. Once you have done the clearing of cache, this might also help you fix this problem of slow download speed. So if the thing does not happens or this does not fixes it, you can simply change your Wi-Fi address and connect to some more stable internet connection. Or like everything you have done does not work, then simply restart your device, or you can simply force close the Play Store app and reload it again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.